sunlight hits it so well, so it kind of supercharges that growth, so it can grow up to about an inch or two a day. We have our state fish, the Guadalupe bass, striped bass, browns, where the water is coming out of the ground. You kind of see this sand turning down there. Now the fish like to hang out down there by the springs because it's kind of like we have little tiny microinvertebrates in the sand, and so we have the largest studied turtle population in North America. We don't have the largest population total. So you see that fuzzy kind of lime green pipe cleaner looking plant down there. It grows alongside the hornwort. That's called kabamba. It's another native species that we have here. Also really good food for the ground where water's coming out of our aquifer. That's what fills up our lake.
That's water coming up?
Yeah, so that's water coming up.
So these are the springs, right?
Yeah, these are the springs. These are all little cracks in the ground from our aquifer. So it's long systems, because on my left side here, you can tell it's very flat, and it's flat almost all the way to the Gulf of Mexico. Detailed that they kind of honed in their craft over time, and it's kind of interesting to see that they started off with these big